Brought to you by awesomefilms.org. So today we're going to have a Spanish coffee. First thing we're going to do is sugar our rim. There we go, that looks good. Now we want about a ½ ounce of 151, just enough to set it on fire. And now let's see if I can get that on fire. Why, I believe I did. That didn't take long. Now for some fireworks. Oh, there we go. There you go. Now we know. A little bit of nutmeg. That's nutmeg, everybody. We're just doing enough of this just to crystallize the sugar around the rim. Okay. All right, now 1 ounce of the Kahlua. There we go. We want another ½ ounce of the white rum. That's it. That's good enough for what we're doing. Now, ½ ounce of triple sec. It's good enough. Now we're going to top with some nice hot coffee. Oh man, that's looking good. Look at that, still going. Awesome. This is a beautiful drink. This is looking nice. Now, we're going to whip it. Oh yeah, nice peak. There we go. The Spanish coffee.